Recently, blasting of the newly formed Zojila tunnel has taken place, which have started the movement from one place to another, and it is now both sided open. This Zojila tunnel is considered as one of the important breakthroughs in providing all-weather connectivity from Kashmir to Ladakh. That means it has also reduced the distance from Sonmarg in Kashmir to Myanmar in Ladakh by 30 minutes. And more importantly, it is also providing an all-weather connectivity from Kashmir to Ladakh, especially in the harsh weather conditions during snowfall and many other times when it is very difficult for a movement from one place to another in Kashmir. And for our military movements, logistics, providing arms and supplies at the border areas, it is very crucial for us to make such type of tunnels. And hence it is also equipped with a fire sensing equipment, CCTVs, a modern ventilation system to provide a weather safety, to provide safety to all people and as well as to the military movements. It is also being equipped with a lot of security measures by our armed forces and as well as a lot of security personnel which are deployed over there. So this Zojila tunnel is a single largest bi-directional single tube tunnel. It is of a length of 13.14 kilometers and at a record height of 11,578 feet. In fact, it was considered as a project of 12,000 crores earlier, but it has now been completed after a 6.5 thousand crore expenditure. So that is a very remarkable feat for all of us to consider this, and this all-weather connectivity, especially to our Ladakh region, especially with LOC and LAC region, it is very crucial for us to understand the importance of it. Thank you.